Welcome to Lock Travels. We are exploring The Club, a new Priority Pass lounge that just opened at the San Francisco International Airport. Let's check it out. Right by the front door, there are three front desk area that staffs can check you in. All you gotta do is show your Priority Pass QR code or card and your boarding pass to get access to the lounge, depending if there's waitlist or not. Once you walk in, there are plenty of places to relax, sit down. These are called a luminescence room, and we will go over it in just a bit. And here is the cafeteria area, where the right side is breads, middle is like hot food. The empty spot right now you're seeing on the left hand side is freshly made to order food. However, when I went, it was not available as it was too late. And of course, there is the water and drinks, there's coffee and sodas. As for hot food, I got a carrot curry with rice and spring roll and some salad. I also got a decaf cappuccino as it was really late. Oh, here is the guava soup. It was really good. And of course, I got a strawberry cheesecake dessert along with a brownie. They were all pretty high quality ingredients. I'd say overall the food is pretty good. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of the made to order food, so I couldn't comment on it. But let's walk around. Oh, here is the bar area where you can order alcohol. And on the right hand side, there are some books that you can read and some games, board games that you can play. There's also privacy room that you can use, and you can, close the door and have your own privacy. Also a family room. I think you can just rent this out and it's big inside. There are plenty of spaces to sit around, and there is a TV as well. Now for the luminescence room, you have to book it in advance, and I didn't, so I don't know what's actually inside, but I'm pretty sure it's just a place where you can relax in privacy. And here is the wellness center where you can do a little bit of workout. You also have to book this in advance. It has a Lululemon mirror inside as well. As for the restroom area, it is very nice, very clean. It smells very good. And there are actually lotions that you can use, which adds a nice touch to the restroom experience. And now we head towards the showers. Unfortunately, I didn't book a shower time. So yes, you have to book a shower time. There are 3 shower rooms available. Like I said, if you want to use it, please ask a staff member to help you schedule an appointment. There are actually other seats available, such as these, and has a QR code on the chair that you can scan. And during the QR code, you are able to access the drinks menu and order and media and things like that. And I'm going to go over briefly what the scanned QR code has access to. First, we're going to take a quick look at the drinks. So there's the wine selection. As you can see, there are a lot of drink selections here, so feel free to drink whatever you want. It is all included in your priority pass, unless it's otherwise said so. And there are other things that you can choose here, such as read books, play games, and book appointments to the earlier shows of shower, luminescence room, and things like that through the QR code. So this is an alternative way to book and time slots without asking a staff member if you choose to. And here are other things that are available, such as video and games, just a brief view of the newspaper. And here are some game selection. As you can see, the library is quite extensive, and there's a lot of things to do. I mean, at the lounge, you can relax, you can hang out with your friends, play some games, watch movies. There's also Wi-Fi, fast Wi-Fi included in the lounge, which is at every table. There is a password and Wi-Fi that tells you which to connect to. And that's about it at the Priority Pass lounge called The Club at San Francisco International Airport that just opened. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay locked in. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.